It was a day of celebration and reconciliation as former Taoiseach Bertie Ahern was welcomed to Croke Park for the Eid prayer. Mr Ahern chose not to speak to the media, but his presence at the event was welcomed by the Muslim community.
Sometimes people can say things that they realize that they should not have said. And I believe that the best way forward is always dialogue, always bridge building. So I invited the former Taoiseach to be here, and he has happily welcomed and accepted the invitation. We are delighted to have him here.
Bertie Ahern spoke to the over 1,000 Muslims in attendance, acknowledging the importance of the day.
I hope that the food, the parties, the children, the communities, that you have a wonderful, wonderful day.
His message was super nice, that we come here for compassion. It was super amazing.
Forgiveness is a big thing that you come forward, and it's our responsibility. It's a two-way to forgive and to be forgiven.
This is the 7th Eid celebration to take place at the National Stadium and the first time since the COVID pandemic that the prayer took place on the pitch.
So it's our first time coming here, and it was so big, like coming in we were like, there's a lot of room, and usually we never find a place to pray for, so it was nice to find a place.
This is the first time I've been to the Croke Park. I've heard about it, but I never got the chance to come.
Did it live up to expectations?
Yes, it was very nice.
I live right around the corner, and I cycle here with my friends and people every day almost. And to come here today to celebrate Eid is very special.
If compared to the mosque and that on the city centre, we have the less space. Yeah. Here, everything is good, perfect.
Dr al-Adha stressed the importance of politicians and policymakers challenging narratives and finding solutions to problems facing society by working together. Alba Keneally, RTE News.